Hello students, Grade 10, Grammar Unit 10. Today we will discuss the difference between adjectives and adverbs. We will start with an exercise and then we will explain. Number 1, she speaks in a quiet way. Use quietly. We say she speaks quietly. Number 2, he is talking in a firm voice. Use firmly. He is talking firmly. Choose the correct answer. It's a space journey. Quick or quickly? The answer is quick because we described the journey. Number 2, I miss him. She said space. Sad or sadly? She said sadly. Look at the examples. He is careful. The exam was sudden. I don't like curious people. Note that these words in red, careful, sudden, and curious, they are all adjectives. You should know that adjectives come after verb to be or before nouns, like he is careful. The exam was sudden. So here we have verb to be, is and was. So they are followed by adjectives. The last sentence, curious people. So adjectives also are used to describe nouns. Look at these examples. He behaves carefully. The teacher makes an exam suddenly. He asks questions curiously. Note that the words in red, carefully, suddenly, curiously, they are all end in ly. So we say that they are adverbs. Adverbs, in most cases, is formed by adding ly to the end of adjectives to describe actions. We have more examples here. Quick is an adjective. The adverb form is quickly. Rude, rudely. Secret, secretly. Slow, slowly. Sudden, suddenly. Suspicious, suspiciously. Polite, politely. Careful, carefully. Calm, calmly. Curious, curiously. Angry, angrily. So number 1, when we want to make adverbs from adjectives, we add ly at the end of adjectives. Look at the examples, write the adverb forms. We have adjectives here in red. We want to change them or replace them with adverbs. Number 1, he is a dangerous driver. We want to use dangerously. So we say he drives dangerously because adverbs describe actions or describe verbs. Number 2, he is a careless driver. He drives carelessly. She is a quick runner. She runs quickly. I live a happy life. I live happily. Number 2, some adverbs of manner are the same as adjectives. Look, fast, hard, early, and late. These words can be used as adjectives or adverbs. Look at the examples. He is a fast runner. Fast here in the example is an adjective because it describes the runner. But the adverb form, he runs fast, the same. Adjectives, he is a hard worker. Adverb, he works hard. Adjective, it was an early train. The adverb form, the train arrived early. It was a late visit. He visited us late. Number 3, irregular adverb. We have the adjective good. It becomes will when we change it into adverb. She's a good worker. She works well. Now we have another grammar point, which is used to. We use used to when we talk about habits that I was doing in the past, but now I stopped doing them. Used to. I used to play tennis, but now I don't. We used to live in a villa, but now we live in a flat. Be careful when we use it in the question form and in the negative form. We say, what did you used to do when you were young? I didn't use to drive cars, but now I do. Note that we omit the letter D because we add did in the question form and didn't in the negative form. Choose the correct answer. When I was a child, I go swimming in the lake. Used to. Number 2, did you in front of the audience? Used to speak or used to speak? Used to speak because it is a question form. Do as required between brackets. I used to drink coffee. Ask a question. What did you use to drink? We used to play football. Negative. We didn't used to play football.